So on my quest to hitting 100,000 YouTube subscribers, at some point, I decided to do something I've not done for a long time, which is daily uploads. And at this point, I've been doing it for about 30 days, and I've had an idea of how this daily uploading schedule has affected my channel's growth. So in this video, I'm going to talk about just some of the things I've observed about my channel's growth, why the daily uploads have been helping, and just some strategies you can use to get into daily uploading as well. And if you guys are looking to boost your visibility and income, make sure you do subscribe to this channel because we talk about that type of stuff all the time here, and it will help us get to the goal of 100,000 subscribers at some point. But as of this video, 5K is the big goal at this moment. So when it comes to daily video uploads, these help a lot when it comes to growing your channel. The reason is that each new video allows you to rank for more keywords. And if you are targeting the same few keywords, it gives you a better presence for each of those keywords. So the reason that a lot of people get stuck is that they don't create enough content that gives them the ability to spread the potential for them to be discovered. And there are some YouTube channels that thrive very nicely on just a few videos, but that's more of the exception rather than the rule. And there's a lot of detailed editing that goes into those types of videos, and also just as likely very detailed marketing strategies. So for a lot of people who do achieve success on YouTube, it is hundreds of videos that you need to crank out in order to hit the big subscriber goals that are out there. So that's why daily videos really helps. Now, the one thing with doing daily though is if you go right into daily without too much practice, the one issue is that it's going to decrease the quality of each video. So I don't recommend each person starts out with daily. I started with a video a week. I went up to 3 videos a week, and now I do daily videos because that is something that not only does my audience love, and I see you guys all in the comments. There are a lot of people now who I'm so appreciative, who they will keep showing up in the comments, showing their love and support. And it's really awesome because you see the same people commenting on all of your videos, and that's what builds know, like, and trust. That's how you get people to really pay attention to your brand rather than just happening to scroll on YouTube and finding your content. So the daily videos do help you there. The one thing I have noticed with daily videos though is while it does help with getting more subscribers, because with each daily, that's a new piece of content you get to promote to your audience. It's another reason for them to go check out your YouTube channel. But while I've seen an increase in subscribers, I've also seen an increase in people unsubscribing. So if you are doing daily videos, that's just going to be one of the things that you'll notice. So you do have to put a lot more thought into each video, thinking like, how is this going to get me subscribers? Is this a topic people are going to be searching for on YouTube? So there is a lot of vidIQ, there's a lot of TubeBuddy, and those tools help me to create videos like this one that allow me to rank for big keywords instead of just creating a video about whatever I think about. So that's something you had to think about. With the research and the editing on the daily video side, there's definitely not as much of the editing side just for me personally. There are other people who can still edit daily videos very well, but it gets harder. And the research side is just based on, like, these videos are based on stuff that I've come to know already. And I do watch other people's YouTube videos. I do read books and stuff like that to build up my knowledge. But when I do have an idea, I just go to the camera and I deliver the value that I know I can deliver. Now, the big challenge with the daily upload schedule on YouTube is that you are focusing so much of your time on YouTube, which is a good thing for growing on YouTube. But when it comes to creating your other products or growing outside of YouTube, it can be a little challenging to address those areas with the wrong approach. So my recommendation is to really strive to record at least 1 video per day, but have some days where you'll do 2 to 5 videos. And these days don't have to be very often if you're doing a video each day, but the idea is to have some backlog so you can pick a day of the week to focus on another area of your business. So I actually know people who they will commit 1 whole day to writing an entire book draft. It sounds really crazy, like, yeah, how can someone go from book idea to book draft in 1 day? But if you do eliminate everything else, it is possible to hit those types of goals. So it is good to have a day of the week where you're not doing that much YouTube, if any at all, so that you are able to address other areas of your business and just carving out your day. And when it comes to daily uploads, that's a big indicator to your audience and the algorithm that you take YouTube seriously. And that's going to be something that people come to respect you for, and they're going to keep visiting your channel as long as you are posting content that people want. So there's a lot of talk about, what do people want, like how to find that content for them. It really just comes down to creating videos about what you know, seeing what people engage with the most, and then creating more of those types of videos. That's all it really comes down to in terms of creating valuable content for people. But it does show like you're super serious about YouTube, and it shows that to yourself, because it's one thing to say, I want to hit this subscriber goal. It's another thing to be inconsistent and not really do too much with YouTube. So doing something daily just makes you more serious towards it. And it has been something that has allowed me to grow my channel. And in this 30-day stretch, I have, I don't think I've done a collaboration with my other most successful month. I did a collaboration that month, and even without a ton of collaborations on my end, this channel has had a very successful April compared to other months, and May is going to be even better than April just based on some of the early data. But it is really important to think about what YouTube is going to do for your business, how it's going to grow, so you can justify doing those daily uploads. Another big thing with the daily uploads is that you could initially feel a little discouraged when you see very small numbers, but understand that YouTube is a long-term play. So when I said, like, I'm going to start doing daily uploads, I gave myself a 6 to 12 month window to see what type of growth, not just that I would have on YouTube, but how YouTube would grow my business, grow my income. And I'm already seeing results in terms of book sales, in terms of clients, in terms of training course sales. And we have a lot more time to go on my end for doing daily uploads, get an idea of whether it works or not. But just based on what I'm getting right now, it definitely works. As long as you're posting great and valuable content, you're going to attract far more people and new subscribers than you lose in people who maybe they are just tired of seeing you every day delivering new content. But those are going to be the people who maybe they don't engage with you too much anyway. So doing daily YouTube videos, it is definitely like you have to take the platform seriously and really abide to that schedule. But it is something where if you keep putting out the content, you have 365 new videos that are optimized, that are ranking for keywords. Think of all of the traffic that's going to bring to your channel. And with each video you create, not only do you get better, but you get closer to that one video that's really going to shoot off and turn the rest of your channel into a sensation. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I greatly appreciate if you smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.